What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another good video.
What is up, YouTube?
Go away. We got Seibon Jenkins over here. But today's gonna be a great day. He's standing like a Roblox character without his sword.
I'm changing your name to Seibon Jenkins in my phone.
Why you standing like that? He got a sparkly banana. Y'all see it? He got a sparkling banana on his head. Why his fist balled up?
All I know is pain.
Alright, in today's video, we are going to be installing a Seibon carbon fiber hood for Mark's 350. Why are you not excited? Why are you not excited?
Look at the scratch.
So, a little bit earlier, unfortunately, the hood ended up falling off the car. So,
It scratched my car.
it scratched his car.
And
It
my
paint
car.
transferred his car.
It scratched
And
my car. It's pain.
and-
all I know is pain. All I know is pain.
I don't understand.
A scratch. It's a huge scratch. All right.
The camera can't even focus it because it's so small.
Got your hands full, so I won't-
Well, the first thing that we're gonna end up doing is taking off this old hood, which has kind of gotten a little fender bender. So the first thing you gotta have to do is pretty simple install. I would hope to think it is, but you got 4 bolts, one on the right side, and then you have, well, not one, but 2 on the right side and 2 on the left, and that pretty much lets off the hinges for the car. Once those are off, you can pull off the hood, and then hopefully the Seibon carbon hood properly aligns together with the stock body of the Z, which it should. They're a famous company, so especially in carbon, so we should be okay. So let's stop talking and get started.
Of what? I'm not gonna play with it. Let me get that.
Oh, you're actually gonna break it?
All right, record it.
You're really
Stop
gonna
it.
throw this?
Stop it.
No,
Stop
you
it.
throw it. I'm not throwing
Yeah,
it.
throw it.
I'm not throwing it.
Throw it.
I don't want to throw it.
Like,
I don't wanna-
we gonna throw it. Come on, we gonna throw it.
Sell it. Why are you doing this?
It's not even fucked, dude. Yeah. It's not even fucked, dude. Fucking straight, dude. Nah, it's not fucked, dude.
Oh.
Oh dear.
Dude, I'm hyped off 3 Red Bulls, dude. Look at that shit, dude. OEM is for losers. OEM is for losers.
All right. Let's go ahead and unveil these things.
That's just fucked, bro. That one and this one.
I don't think there's anything on this side. This here.
You're Gucci.
Fine. Alright.
Fuck. I can still fix this, though. Huh? Fix it, bro. Yeah, come on, allow this shit. Fuck. That shit made me sad. I made it all the way to Carrollton. I'm on back road. All the way, 2 hours. You feel me? 2 hours. I go down the street to bring this shit to the car. No. We're gonna give you demon time today. That's what they said. Whoever's up there. Sick of this shit. I can't even try and be cool. You feel me? Like, I can't even try and be cool. Nah, I gotta end up with something broken.
Nobody told you to tie that thing to your roof
How I'ma get it?
with that
Was you
weak
finna-
ass rope.
Was you finna help
Did
me?
nobody tell you
Was you
to
finna help
use
me?
that
Were
weak
you gonna-
ass
Were you
rope?
gonna help me? It was-
Do y'all need wash your cup?
Oh, ugh. Fire. This shit got me horny though. Like from like you see the little white part? Seibon. Sheesh. Don't get that part, bro. You never record the video.
All right, the install is done. It was pretty straightforward. Everything pretty much together, just 4 bolts. It didn't take us out like any other install I put on my channel. But hope you guys enjoyed this little small flick. Hope to see you guys in the next one. We'll be doing some more things on this Z that Mark has. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Cat?
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy